Hello again, it's Ms. Prather, and today we are going to work on how to solve creating and interpreting algebraic expressions. I'm now going to read the problem. As we see here, our problem is multiple choice. Laser tag charges a new membership fee of $45. Afterwards, every game that a member plays is only $5. What does the slope represent? A. New membership fee. B. Cost per game. C. Number of weeks a member plays. Or D. Cost per membership. So now that I have read completely through my problem once, which is a good strategy for the EOC to read the problem straight through the first time without stopping, I am now going to reread my problem, and I'm going to highlight and or underline important words and numbers. Okay, so here, laser tag charges a new membership fee of $45. I'm going to highlight membership fee because I know that that is another name for initial fee. And I'm going to circle the $45 because I know that that is my initial fee. Afterwards, every game that a member plays is only $5. So I'm going to circle the $5 because that is another number. And I'm going to actually highlight every because every lets me know that per game it costs $5. And so my next step is I'm going to underline the vocabulary in the question because I need to know what the question is asking me. What does the slope is the key word here, represent? So here as I go back and I look at my problem, I see that I have an initial fee, I know that I have a slope, and I know that I have a per. So a very good rule of thumb here is that this problem is actually asking me to interpret an equation. And I know the slope-intercept equation is y equals mx plus b. Okay, here we know that m is our slope and that b is our y-intercept. And that another name for y-intercept is also membership fee or initial fee. So there we go. I made several little notes for myself. M is the slope and B is the y-intercept or the initial fee. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my numbers and I'm going to substitute them or plug them into my equation. So I have y equals. Now slope is your rate of change. That is why I highlighted every because I know that for every game it's going to charge me $5. So if I want to play one game, I'm charged $5. If I want to play 2 games, I'm charged $10. So where I see M, I'm going to place the 5. And then I know that my X has to stay the same. Plus, as we already noted, the initial fee or the membership fee is $45. Now, I have as my equation y equals 5x plus 45. However, I have not yet answered the question, what does the slope represent? So now in my equation, I'm going to highlight the 5 because we already said the 5 was the slope. And now I'm going to reread my problems. A, new membership fee. Well, we know that can't be correct because we said the new membership fee was $45. B, cost per game. We did say that every game would cost $5 and so on. So I'm going to put a check beside that. C, the number of weeks a member plays a game. Well, this problem doesn't even talk about weeks, so I know that that's incorrect. And D, cost per membership. Cost per membership is another way of saying the initial fee. So the y-intercept. So I know that's incorrect. So that leaves me with B as my answer, cost per game. Hope you enjoyed the